Hey everyone, welcome back. I guess now we have learned about the background of PyQt. Now it's time to dig in and do some coding. What we will do in the previous lesson, we have created the one more folder named 3_app. I'm going to use this 3_app folder to develop our desktop application. But before that, I really want to understand the PyQt. For that sake, what I'm going to do is that let me create one more folder and name that folder as PyQt_basics. Alright. Now what are the PyQt basics program I'm going to do? I'm going to write in the PyQt_basics folder. Okay. Now open our Visual Studio Code. And click on this file and open folder and navigate to that particular folder, that is PyQt_basics, and then select the folder. Okay, we have successfully opened our Visual Studio Code editor. Now let's begin our coding. First, let's create a file and name that file as helloworld.py. Okay, let's create a new and name it as helloworld.py. Okay, so we have created the helloworld.py. Now let's import the major module. Let's import QtWidget from PyQt. From PyQt, import QtWidgets. As I said, the QtWidget is the major module and it contains the bulk of widgets classes in Qt as well as some important components for GUI creation. And at the moment, we don't require the Qt GUI and Qt core for simple applications. Next, we will see how to create a Q application object like this. App equal to QtWidget.QApplication. And open the parentheses. Inside that, create an empty list. The Q application object represents the state of running our application, and one must be created before any other Qt widgets can be created. Q application is supposed to be passed a list of command line argument given to our script, but it has just passed our empty list at the moment. Okay, now let's create our first widget, which is window equal to, let me take the Qt widget, QtWidgets.QWidget, and let me name it the window title equal to hello Qt. Okay. Let's show the window.show, and what this basically means is that calling show automatically means the window a top level window of its own. In upcoming lessons, we will see how to place the widgets inside our other widgets, but for this program, we will only need one top level widgets. So that's it. Now let's run this by calling app.exe. You can use the app.exe parentheses or app._, but it is highly recommendable to use this app.execute. Okay, now save it, open your terminal. Okay, and the next step what we need to do is that make sure you set the interpreter, and my interpreter is face mask, scripts, and Python. Okay, now let's close this terminal and again go to a terminal and new terminal, and as you can see, you can automatically able to activate your virtual environment. If not, we need to do the manual process. Okay, anyway, now let's type Python helloworld.py. Execute it. As soon as you execute this, and you can notice that one window is getting pop up, which is nothing but our window that was created with the PyQt. And as you can notice that we have created the title, which is Hello Qt, that is displayed here. Cool, right? This is how we can able to create a very simple PyQt widget, that is PyQt. This is how we can use QtWidgets to open the application. Even though it is empty, we will see in the next lecture how to add widgets inside our window. I will see you on that. Until then, happy learning.